Hi, today I'm going to speak about shoulder and elbow joint replacement. Joint replacement considered to be one of the most successful ways of treating advanced arthritis. Shoulder and elbow replacement has been around for quite a few years, but unfortunately it wasn't that popular like hip and knee replacements for many reasons. However, in the last 10 to 15 years, the numbers of shoulder and elbow joint replacement has increased dramatically, and this is due to the major development in the technology. We have improvement in the material used, the design of the implant, and more important is the surgeon experience. Shoulder and elbow arthritis can affect any age, and it could be due to different reasons. For example, trauma, if the fracture extends into the articular surface, that can lead to arthritis. Infection of the joints also can lead to arthritis. Generalized bone disease like rheumatoid arthritis. Some blood diseases like sickle cell anemia also can lead to arthritis, and of course the majority could be due to wear and tear, which is osteoarthritis. We have a special group around the shoulder joint which is due to failure of the rotator cuff muscles, and that can lead to something called rotator cuff arthropathy. We have different types of shoulder and elbow replacement, like resurfacing, or it could be a hemi, that means part of the joint is replaced, it could be a total, or recently we have got what is called reverse polarity shoulder replacement, and this will address that group of patients with rotator cuff arthropathy. Recently, artificial intelligence has been introduced in our practice, starting from planning, designing the implant, and also helping the surgeon intraoperatively to assure maximum accuracy when implanting and fixing the prosthesis. I have to say, shoulder and elbow joint replacement is a very safe operation. There is no age limit, and we are doing it mainly to cure the pain and to improve the function of the upper limb. We are doing this operation routinely here at Mediclinic Airport Road Hospital. If you have been diagnosed with a shoulder or elbow arthritis, we will have a solution for you. Thank you.